Today we are reviewing the Trangia 500ml fuel bottle. Guys, if you're using fuel, if you're using liquid fuel or anything like that, bioethanol, you'll want to place it in here, my friends. This is strong, this is sturdy, this is well designed, this will not leak, and your fuel will be very safe in here, my friends. It's going nowhere. Once you put your fuel in here, trust me guys, it's going nowhere. It will not leak, it is safe, it is secure, it is strong, it is well designed, beautiful craftsmanship, strong, sturdy, a good fuel holder indeed, my friends. This is the 500ml size. There is 3 sizes to this canister. This is the 500ml. Let's have a look. There we go, look. 500ml this one is. And it's a nice size, guys. Look, it's decent. It's a nice size. There's 3 other sizes. You've got a 0.5 fuel, which is approximately about that big, I'd say. Roughly about that big compared to the 500ml. This is the 500ml, the middle one. And then you've also got a 1 litre canister. Also a 1 litre. And that's approximately, I'd say, about that high. It comes up to there, the 1 litre bottle. And it's a bit thicker as well compared to the 500ml. This is the 500ml. This is the one in between. This is the one that in between both of them. And I'd suggest, depending on what you need and where you go and what you do in your life, on your journeys, on your adventures, I'd recommend, say if you're going camping for a one day hike. Say if you're going 1 day hike, get your backpack on, 1 day out. I'd recommend taking the 0.5 litres, definitely. That would do you for the night. No problem at all. That would be perfect for that. If you was going for a 2 day hike, I'd recommend taking this one, the 500ml, guys. I would take this one if you're going for 2 days. And if you're going for, say, 3 days, 3 to 4 days, then I'd recommend taking the 1 litre bottle. I definitely would. Definitely, guys. So yeah, if you're going for 1 day, I'd take the 0.5 litre. If you're going for 2 to 3 days, I'd take the 500ml. And then if you're going for 3 to 4 days, I'd take the 1 litre canister. But let me tell you guys, if you put your fuel in here, it is secure. It is going nowhere. No leaks. Because you need to, it's fuel, guys. It's fuel. It's very dangerous. If that catches fire in your backpack, you're doomed. Absolutely doomed. Fire everywhere. We cannot allow that to happen. We need to make sure we secure our bioethanol. We need to make sure we secure it in the right place so it's not going everywhere. This is the one that I'm using currently. The bioethanol, premium bioethanol. It's good. This is what I'm currently using at the minute. And we need to make sure we secure this liquid, guys, safely and securely. And this is where this comes into place. We need to place it into here so it's not leaking in your backpack. So if that leaks in your backpack, you're doomed, guys. Fire everywhere, water everywhere. If that catches a spark, you're doomed. So we need to secure it, guys. And this is very advisable into here because this is secured. These do secure well. So the bottle itself, I mean, it's red, as you can see. It's a nice colour, nice bright colour. The fuel top itself, this is a screw top up here, look. This is where the fuel will come out. So what you have to do is, to fill it up, to actually fill this bottle up, we unscrew. 1 second, guys, that's on very tight. That is on tight, let me tell you that. I make sure it's on tight. 1 second. So if you want to fill it up, if you want to actually fill this bottle up, what you have to do is you've got to unscrew that, the whole lot of that unscrews there, look. Like that. And then you put your spirits in there. Mine's full currently. That's nice and full up there, guys. Place that back on, unscrew. It will not go anywhere, it will not leak. Beautiful. And then, if you want to pour it into your burners, what we have to do then is unscrew this little top here, look. Unscrew that. And then that will allow you to press the fuel. And then once you pour that out, the fuel will come out. I'll empty a bit. I don't like to waste it because it's important, but I will do it for the review. No problem whatsoever, guys. No problem. So what you do is, so that screw top there, when it's down at the bottom, you cannot press it. It's secure. But when you unscrew it, that then allows you to press the button there, guys. So what you do is, you turn it around, you press it, and that releases the fuel, just like that, guys, just like that. And then once you're finished, screw the top, there you go. And then there's always a couple of drops that stay in there. You see that? 2 drops there? Get them out of there before you restart. There it is, look at them drops coming out there. Get it out before you put it back in your backpack. Make sure you do that, guys, once you screw the lid back on. I don't mind wasting this fuel. It's no problem, guys. No problem at all. No problem, guys. But that's it. Make sure you do that, guys. Make sure you do that before you put it back in your backpack, because you do not want that leaking in your backpack. You don't want any hazards like that. But I can assure you, once your fuel is stored in here, it is secure, it is safe, it is solid. It's going nowhere, no leakage. Perfect, guys. Perfect indeed, my friends. So that's it, guys. That's the Trangia 500ml fuel bottle. Highly advise putting your fuel into this, guys. It's perfect for it. Really good, really strong, really sturdy. Going nowhere at all. That's it, guys. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you, guys. Thank you.